Okay, here we have the WEN 3800i inverter generator. It just came in the other day. Oil's been changed several times. Got a magnetic plug and she's ready to go. So we're going to start her up. I have a dB meter, and right now, if I shut up long enough, it'll be down to 50 dB. We got the highway about 200 feet from me, so there's going to be some highway noise. What we're going to do is we're going to check from 2 feet away, 10 feet away, 25 feet away, and then go to the back, which is a little louder, and we'll just run it from 25 feet away. So here we go. Okay, that's running in eco mode. No load. It's plugged in, but no load. And running about 80 dB. Now, eco mode off. She's running about 84 with no load. We'll put it back in eco mode. There we go. Okay, and multi-load is 0. All right, let's go turn on the power. I got my manual transfer switch. And just kicked on the AC. Running at 11. It's at 13,500. Running at 85. So let's take it to 10 feet. Here we are at 10 feet. Take the shock off, see if that makes a difference. And now we'll go to 25 feet. A lot of highway traffic. And now we'll go ahead and show you the back. close up, right next to the muffler. And this is at 25 feet. So there you have it. The WEN 3800i inverter generator. I like it. It's quiet and it will fire up the 15,500 BTU air conditioner with no problem.